Good morning and welcome everyone. It is, as you just saw, it's pretty windy out, but that's not the hardest of the gusts. Um, so the hurricane has now been downgraded to a tropical storm. So it went from subtropical storm to hurricane to tropical storm. The parks are opening staggered in the afternoon, like starting at noon or something. But we don't have a park day scheduled anyway, so we're just gonna kind of hang around the resort and do whatever, probably play games. I think we'll make some pancakes and stuff in a little bit. So this is just a resort day. It probably will not be a pool day. I don't see that happening at all. So, morning, dear.
Good morning.
I thought we were going to be riding out our first Florida hurricane, but it's just going to be tropical storm now.
Yeah.
But I mean,
Gosh
that's
darn.
okay. It sounds like I'm disappointed, but it's still. I mean, I've still never been here when there's been like any kind of major storm at all.
Yeah.
So it's kind of cool. I mean, we saw cast members getting up because Disney will put cast members up when there is a bad storm, hurricane mostly. They'll put them up in the hotel that they're working at, and so I've seen several now going to work in the hallways. So it's very interesting. We're watching the Weather Channel. I keep looking up over there, but anyway. So I mean, join us for this resort day. I don't know how much we're gonna see, but we'll walk around and show you stuff, I guess. Storm doesn't bother these guys much. Look at that one. We got a little spooked on something. Maybe it was my voice. Oh, there they go. Whoops. There's a couple of really huge guys. Oh man, they're huge. Maybe I should be quieter. They're all running away. I'm not sure what they're called, but they are a beautiful animal. Oh, look. Pancakes, eggies. We requested another frying pan, but we didn't get it yet. So we're using this pot for eggs. It'll work through the camera. The heat looks purple instead of red.
Oh yeah.
I had to do a double take. I'm like, wait, is that purple? No, it's actually red. It just looks purple. Mmm. These deer creatures came back. They're so pretty. They're a very large animal. And it is like 70, 71. Looking outside, it's sort of deceiving. It's like you would think it was chilly out, but it's not. The rain has stopped for now, but it's not over. There's still more rain to come. Definitely wind is going to continue. But it's a nice day to be inside. Ooh, that bamboo was blowing. We've been watching it dance for a while. Just a light, misty rain right now. Oh, look, the okapi is back. Let's zoom in. There he is. And then those odd deer with the bullseye for the behind. I like the okapi. This guy down here, he's eating, but he turned his head. He'll turn again in a moment. There we go. So, oh, let's zoom back out. Yeah, that bamboo is really, and you can hear it like clanging against each other. It sounds so cool. Of course, I didn't catch one of the bigger gusts, but whatever. You guys get the idea. It's a very stormy day. There it goes. It is amazing how they just bend and go right back, and it's just amazing to me. So I didn't catch it when it happened. But the okapi just picked up that little branch that had fallen, and he's eating the leaves off of it.
Something else has fell.
Yeah, well, stuff is falling from. There's like little leaves and things all over the place.
And the tattery still in the middle of the whole thing.
Well, no, it's only a tropical storm now. It was a hurricane. So look, I'll show you guys. Whoops, let's zoom back out. So down there, like you can see what I'm talking about, where like there's like little leaves and things all over, just down all over the place. I mean, we haven't seen anything here blown down, like huge limbs or anything like that. But the gusts are supposed to continue for a bit, so you never know if there's something loose. A strong enough gust would, knock something down, but anyway. Oh, look at that. There we go again. All right, I only came out here because of the okapi, and now here I am back to the dancing bamboo. All right, enough of that. This is very quickly becoming an animal vlog. I can't help it. I look out the window and I see them looking over here or something, and I just can't help myself. Look at the okapi. They're so awesome. Look at the bullseye on that deer's butt. I know it's some type of deer, I just don't know what it is. I'm sure it's got an African name. I'm gonna find out one of these days. Let's go over here. Oh, look at that little guy right out there. Wait, where is he? Right there. Hello, okapi. I love okapis. They're related to a giraffe, which is really awesome because I love giraffes. There goes bullseye butt walking away. So we haven't really done much today. We've been doing laundry. We cooked breakfast. So I've been doing a lot of laundry today, which is fine because we have the time. Oh, I love that okapi. All right, I'll stop. I've decided to come down, take a little walk down here to the pool area because the pool is open and there are some crazy individuals down here. I feel like it's too cold for the pool, but others not so much. I have 2 of my children are actually down here somewhere. I just saw one of them a second ago. I don't know where they are. But yeah, 2 of my boys are down here. And there's clearly other people in the pool. I cannot believe. I mean, it's breezy. It's chilly. But anyway, okay. I'm going to take a walk up to the lobby and get some coffee in my cup. Coffee in my cup, in my 50th cup. It's still like 71 or something, but it feels like with the breeze and all, it feels like it's in the 60s. The pool definitely is not for me today. It needs to be hot. Like, it's got to be in the 80s for me to go in the pool. But if the sun was out, they might have been able to talk me into it. Oh. So, just walking up here. Enjoying the breeze a little. There's still some pretty good strong gusts going. You can see there's a lot of leaves and stuff down that I'm sure they'll be out. In fact, there's a branch there. So quite a few of those around. And I don't know what these things are that are falling off the trees. Some sort of a pod. I don't know what those are though. But if you happen to know, put it in the comments for me. I have no idea what these are. Look at them again. Some sort of a pod. Interesting. Anyway. So yeah, I am sure, you know, when the wind stops that they'll be out here with, you know, leaf blowers or something and cleaning all of that up. But no sense in, it's kind of like when it snows back at home. There's no sense shoveling until it's done, unless it's a really, really bad one, you know. But so kind of, I look at it that way. Same thing here. No sense in, you know, cleaning up the leaves and the branches and things that are down until it's done. They'll probably, I wonder if they'll do that like overnight. That would be interesting. It'll be interesting to see when, you know, some of this sort of gets cleaned up. After getting my coffee, I decided to come out here and take a look at the animals, see if anybody was out, and sure enough, we have a giraffe here, and we got some other animals over this way. Oh, there he goes. Oh gosh, I love giraffes so much. was right there. Oops, sorry. I moved a little. Didn't mean to do that. Zoom out. Makes it easier to move the camera without too much motion going on. Now we can zoom back in on that giraffe. Oh, there's another one. Nice. We haven't seen any giraffes over by the room. I think they like hanging out over this way because they would have to kind of walk around the side and kind of come to where we're at. But we have that, we have quite a few of those like deer type animals, and whoa, we have that okapi that comes over there. So it's not like we're not seeing animals over there. Oh, giraffes. Aren't they wonderful? Wonderful, wonderful creatures. So guys, remember how I said it would be interesting to see when they start like cleaning up all the branches and leaves and stuff? Yeah, it's actually happening over here around the pool area like now. You know, not right next to the pool, obviously, but nice. Nice. We've got some stuff down there too. So, I don't know. I just love Disney. I don't care, man. They can leave all the branches where they're at. I don't care. Now, obviously, they're going to clean it all up. I'm pretty sure that I hear Paul yelling right now over there. But I don't see either Paul or Jay, but I'm pretty sure I hear Paul's voice over there. I can't believe they're still over there. They've been over there for at least an hour, maybe more than that. It's been a hot minute since they've been over there, and it's breezy. Like, okay, whatever, knock your socks off, I guess. I just think it's a little too cold. Hey, Paulie.
Oh,
How's the pool?
good.
It was good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're...
No, it's raining right now.
It's raining right now, so you're...
In the hot tub.
Jay's in the hot tub?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're done, you're coming up?
Yeah.
All right, I'll see you in a minute.
Yeah.
Well, hello there, boogerhead.
Oh,
You had a good time?
yes.
Yeah. All right, well, when you take off your wet stuff, you can put it in the dryer, and I'll dry it when Jay brings his wet stuff back.
Which one's just on top of all?
The top. Okay? Mm-hmm. All righty. So it was a good time? Was the pool warm or cold?
Cold.
It was cold?
Yes.
But you liked it? I mean, you were down there for like 2 hours.
They said we're down there for free.
That's crazy.
Oh, so what are we in?
We're not sure yet.
I thought we ate what we ate last time.
Oh, you want to eat at the Mara?
Yeah.
We could probably do that. Dan got the chicken flatbread pizza. I won't, he just shoved it in his mouth, so, And Jay got the regular one, just the cheese. So, what do you think of it, Jay?
Really good.
It's delicious, right?
Yep, a good amount of cheese.
Oh, yeah, lots of cheese. Even on the chicken one, there's a lot of cheese usually. So I guess when you're done chewing, like, what do you think of it? Because you weren't sure about it because it was like bacon, chicken, ranch, and tomato.
No, it's good.
You like it? I forget what else is on there. Is it just like tomato, chicken?
Onion.
Oh, onion, that's right.
I think.
And some
Bacon.
bacon.
Yeah.
And a little bit of ranch drizzle on there. It's pretty good, right? And Rachel probably ate a couple of fries. She went up to go get more soda.
She is.
But here's her. Yeah. There she is. She's going to enjoy some chicken at the Mara. And before we go, we're going to order a burger to go for Paul because he was tired and didn't want to walk over. So I realized I never ended the video. So I'm doing that now the next day. We just had a resort day, a lot of animal watching, just a lot of wind, stuff like that. So that is the end of this video. Our food, that was the end of the video. I didn't record anything else. We didn't really do anything else but come back and kind of crash. So until the next video, guys, we are Spencer's Ventures. We're gonna see you in the next one, and we are out of here. Bye.